How to add company email in Outlook Mobile. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add company email in Outlook Mobile. For this, open the Outlook app on your device and make sure to sign into your account. Now, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. From here, tap on this plus icon. Now, tap on Add an Account. Here, tap on this box and enter your company email. Once that is done, tap on the Continue option. Now you want to select IMAP, then complete the login process. Once the login process has been completed, you will successfully add the company email in your Outlook Mobile. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.